What up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jake to the. We finna make some little stupid, simple song real quick and fast. Let's make it happen. Let's do it. Let's go. We're gonna hit it with one of these. Well, you already know what sound we're gonna go for. We already know. We're gonna do. Nope, we don't want to do that. That sounds gay as fuck. We're gonna keep it like that. One at a time. Ooh, let's see what that's gonna sound like. Ooh, garbage. Let's do that. What am I doing? What do I do? What that was? Alright, let's go back over here. Show in context. Use that. I'm just doing some shit. Ooh. You got that NLE Choppa type shit. I don't know what this sounds like. Ooh, like that. Let's come back up here. Bring that back down. Let's bring it back down. Let's bring it back down. Part you did eighth quantization. Hey, hey. Yeah. Then we need to come over here. What is this? Flute. I don't know what this is. No, that's, I can't use that. Can't use that. Now we need to find some type of. Let's go old school. We'll make that work. Now let's go ahead and do this. Get that out there some so we can play. duplicate this. Like that. So we're gonna take this to just do that like that. Duplicate that out. Let's get rid of that at the bottom. Hey, this is a NLE Choppa type beat. Then you want to do something like a do 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 do. No, we're just gonna try it. Like it, I like it. We need to hit that first note. Ooh, no. That one. Okay, let's combine those. Oh, that's not what I intended to do. Mix down selection. Not what I intended to do. Merge events. There we go. Hey. NLE popping the scenes on the grind. Hey, I ain't never seen it. All the way from mine. I got money in this talking. Ooh. Get rid of that mess. I ain't never seen these haters, all they hating on me. Every time I look around, why they faking on me? Oh, it's your boy. NLE, hey. Simple beat.